2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.